shelf, it dice. Don't know nobody that cook that nice. Grab me a spoon, grab me a spoon, grab me a spoon, grab me a spoon. What would you say? I won't eat twice. I want them seconds of food that nice. Grab me a spoon, grab me a spoon, grab me a spoon, grab me a spoon. Walk on the potty and shelf, it dice. Don't know nobody that cook that nice. Grab me a spoon, give me a spoon, grab me a spoon, give me a spoon. What would you say? I won't eat twice. Yes, I want seconds of food that nice. Grab me a spoon, go give me a spoon, grab me a spoon.
Yes, sir. Welcome to your boy channel. About to make it happen again. It's Good Kitchen. So we have some party wings right here. We about to fry them up. We're gonna make some sweet and sour party wings. But first, let's go ahead and get our little seasoning going. Use some Old Bay seasoning. Some Tony's, no salt. Some chili powder. Black pepper. And some paprika. So that's the season right there. So I'm finna go ahead and mix it in. I only have two hands. I'm holding the camera one, season with the other. Okay, so we'll go ahead and hit it with some vegetable oil. So that season can stick. And I'm gonna let that season sit on that chicken for 5 minutes. Okay, so we have 3 cups of all-purpose flour right here. We'll go ahead and give it a seasoning. Tony's, no salt. Okay, so there we go right there. Move this out the way. We have 2 eggs right here. Go ahead and crack these eggs. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and mix this in with the egg yolk. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and drop our chicken and the flour. Okay, so we're gonna make our red chili sauce right here. We have 1 white onion, a half a white onion, 5 garlic cloves, and our chili peppers. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean out these chili peppers, clean the seeds out and the membrane out the chili peppers. Okay, so we cleaned them all up. Got all the seeds out. I say we might use like half of this onion right here. So I have my water going. We'll wait till that water start really boiling. Okay, so we're gonna take some of this onion, not all of it. That's all we need right there. Red chili peppers. So we place them in there. Garlic. 5 heads of garlic. Place that in there. I'm gonna go ahead and let it boil. Okay, so now we go ahead and fry our chicken. I'm gonna go ahead and let the chicken fry until it get nice and crispy. All right, so we go ahead and put our chicken in there. I'm using vegetable oil. Okay, the water been boiling for like 20 minutes. Well, it's been boiling for 20 minutes. All this together. So I'm gonna go ahead and drain the water out. And then we're gonna get it right. Alright, so we'll go ahead and pour everything in there. I just left a little water. Just a little bit of water right there. I'm gonna put this top on there. And we go mix. Oh, let me set this down somewhere. So I'm gonna add some of this sweet chili sauce. And then go blend it and get it right. Alright, we just straining it now. Our little strainer. Okay, so here go our red chili sauce right here. I drained all the water out of it. Now it's time to make this plate. Okay, so here we go right here. That made it happen. It's Good Kitchen. Nice video for the family and friends. We made our red chili. So we have our sweet, spicy fried chicken. When I say this sauce is on hit, it's on hit. With that sweet red chili mixed with it, it got the job done. You know, fried chicken always gonna be good, always. But we have to put a little kick to it. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that like button. Now that I had a good time filming with y'all, don't forget to hit that bell notification, like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good afternoon. God bless. Hit nice.